Hi everyone, now I am in New York and today I am going to unbox my new iPhone 15 Pro which I purchased from 5th Avenue Apple flagship store. So yes, today I am going to unbox that. So iPhone 15 Pro comes in 4 different colors and I choose natural titanium. In the box you will get the phone with the C2C charging cable. Ta-da! So as you can see here, there is no SIM slot. We bought it from USA and here they are just supporting eSIM, and iPhone 15 Pro supports 8 eSIM. So you can get one eSIM for India, for New York, for Ireland. So yes, we are going to use eSIM from now on.